Good morning all. Welcome to my class. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the continuation of the previous lesson. Let's revise. A king who believed that he would never fail if he knew the answers of his questions. A lot of men came with their answers, but none of them satisfied the king. So he decided to meet a hermit. The king asked the 3 questions to the hermit, but the hermit kept silent. The hermit saw a bearded man running and his hands on his stomach. The hermit told the king about it and they helped the man. The next day the king woke up and the bearded man apologized to him. He said that he was an enemy of the king and he came to kill him. But the king forgave him and was pleased to turn his enemy into a friend. Let's continue our lesson.
Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked round for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. The hermit was on his knees, sowing seeds in the buds that had been dug the day before. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time, I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. "How have I been answered? What do you mean?" When the king was planning to go back to his palace, he wished to see the hermit. At that time, the hermit was sowing seeds in the buds. The king again asked to the hermit for the answers. The hermit then tells the king that his questions were answered. The king was confused at how he had been answered. "Do you not see?" replied the hermit. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these buds for me, you would have gone away. Then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the buds and I was the most important man and to do me good as your most important business. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. Remember, then, there is only one time that's important, and that time is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. The most important business is to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. The hermit replied that if the king had not pitied about hermit's weakness, the man would have attacked the king. So the most important time was when the king was digging the buds and the hermit was the most important man. When the wounded man arrived, the most important time was when he was caring for him, else he would have died of his wounds without the two of them reconciling for their acts. So at that moment, the wounded man was the most important man, and nursing him was the most important business, when we have the power to act. The hermit said to the king that the most important time is now, because it is the only time when we have the power to act. The most important person at a particular moment is we ourselves, because future is unknown to all of us, and there is always an uncertainty about meeting anyone else. The most important job is to do good for the person one is with. This is because all are sent into this world for that purpose alone. All the answers are linked to each other and have their own significance. I hope you understood the story. Okay. Can anyone tell what do you understand from the story? First of all, it tells us about the importance of time, so we don't waste it. Second, it tells us the importance of people, so we have to respect all the people. Third, it also tells us that humanity is the first prospect of all human beings, so we should always do good to others. Thank you. That's all for today.